Baby Enzo and Ringo welcome you to Sea Leg Journeys. Come on and hang out with us for a great, fun, fantastic conversation about cruising and probably some other stuff too. Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Now come on, let's go have some fun. Otherwise, we don't know what's going on.
So, say that what I had for breakfast.
Huevos rancheros.
It was really good the other sea days. Today it was not very good at all.
No?
Mm-mm.
It's unusual.
I didn't even eat half of it. And I was going to order two because I've enjoyed them so much. I only ordered one, and I only ate half of it because it was not very good.
My eggs were actually all cooked all the way today, so I got a winner chicken dinner with the eggs being cooked right and the toast coming out right, and got some guava jelly. But and the bacon's hit or miss too, of whether you're going to get it a little overdone or maybe.
But see, the bacon's always good for me because I like overdone bacon.
Yeah, so if you like your bacon so that's hard and you pick it up, it's like a pencil.
Yes,
you're going to get it right just how you like it.
It's Robin's kind of bacon right there.
I prefer a little more floppy.
I don't want my bacon floppy.
Oh, and then we do the puzzle. I had a crossword puzzle this morning that they set out every day. So you can always go down to the Blue Java Cafe and sit there in Ocean Plaza and do crossword puzzles, Sudoku puzzles, things like that, while you're waiting for other ship onboard activities to come through.
And there's two coffee shops side by side.
Yeah.
They both serve coffee, but one is slower than the other. But one serves food and the other one doesn't. One serves milkshakes and the other one doesn't. Mm-hmm. But do they have the same kind of coffee, I wonder?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I'm not a coffee drinker, so.
I'm a tea drinker, so I just order hot water because I bring my own tea with me.
She's a tea snob.
I'm a tea snob.
Yeah, so we'll be going now here today in a few minutes after we finish this live. We'll be heading to
the Platinum Party.
The Platinum and Elite Party.
Platinum and Diamond
Party. Mm-hmm. And it's going to be held in the big main theater called the Liquid Lounge, I think is the name of it.
Yeah, there's a lot of platinum and diamonds on the ship, though. I've seen a lot of silver tags.
Yeah, like that. But we're going to go there and hang out with some friends again, see what it's all about, and we'll let you know later on. We'll do a vlog maybe tonight, talking about the day.
Maybe.
But we had a good day in Curacao yesterday. Did we tell them about Curacao yesterday? We went live
from Curacao yesterday.
Yeah. So it's a lot of walking when you get off the ship. So if you got mobility issues, be aware of that when you get into Curacao. I did see something unusual there, though. We saw scooters right as you're coming off the ship and you're walking up close to the buildings. There's a place there renting scooters.
Yes.
I think it was $50 a day.
I think it was $50 for the whole day. Sorry, I'm going to sneeze. Sorry, I had to sneeze. So they were renting scooters, which I've never seen that before at a cruise port.
I've never seen it either. Yeah.
But a lot of it was like sidewalk concrete, and some of it was like pavers. So some of it you're going to get the blah, 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 and some of it's going to be smooth.
Yeah, if you're in a regular wheelchair, it's probably going to beat you up a little bit. The wheels and all that, but you're not going to get stuck in sand or anything like that.
And this is the first cruise ship we've been on that entering the buffet area is.
Yeah, every time she pushes me through in a wheelchair, I go, yeah. We haven't been amazed by the quality of the drinks today. We're glad we didn't buy a drink package.
I actually had a mimosa this morning for sea day brunch, and it really wasn't even that good of a mimosa. And it's just orange juice and champagne, but it must have been really dry champagne, super dry champagne.
But the wine, can't go wrong with wine.
Can't go wrong with wine.
So, and beer, if you're a beer drinker, you can't go wrong with your beer. It's the mixed drinks that, to me, I'm glad I'm not buying them.
Yeah, we ordered a margarita, and it just was not a very good margarita. And usually Carnival makes really good margaritas.
Yeah. But now we did have a few drinks there on that excursion we did in Aruba. Yeah, well, actually it was a schooner.
And we had rum punch, but that was a really good bartender and lots of different liquors. You could order just about any kind of drink you wanted.
Mm-hmm. It was so much fun, guys. I cannot wait to get the vlogs done on that schooner in Aruba. I may make that the first one I actually put up because it is just so good. It's so good.
And the air conditioning in this room has not been fantastic. I just have to say that.
The first 3 days.
It was cold in here. It was freezing to death. The last 3 days, it's been hot.
So other plans for today is we're going to try to go up and finish vlogging the
Oh,
upstairs.
I know what we did yesterday.
What did we do yesterday?
I did the rope course and we did the bicycle thing.
Yes, she did both sides of the ropes course.
I did.
You know how big of a line there was there?
None. I was the only person on the whole thing. But we did the sky ride, which is like the little bicycle thing, right? So let me just tell you, don't stop pedaling. Pedal the whole time, no matter if it's going fast or not, because I was pedaling just fine. I was just going along just fine. And then I got to the bottom of the ship and it went around the circle and it sped up. So I quit pedaling. Well, guess what? There was an uphill and I couldn't make it up the hill.
Oh, man.
They almost had to come rescue me.
But I got to ride the sky ride too. Yeah, y'all.
You did.
Sure did. I got up there and rode that thing right along, and it was fun. I would do it again.
It was a lot of fun. I would do that again. If the group was doing it today, I would do it with the group. But I don't know, because a lot of times when you're at sea, it's too windy. But we were in a port when we did it yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, it was after we'd come back from Curacao and did our walking around there. We went up there and there was no lines, no waiting. We just walk up and get in and go. Giddy up.
Giddy up.
So it was fantastic like that. Even the kids' water park, we walked past it to get there, and there was only like 2 kids there, and one mom sitting there watching her 2 kids. There was no kids playing in the water parks yesterday.
Yeah. So I think it's really weird that we have 0 viewers. Did I not set this up right?
I've told you about that. It says you can't go by it. That's wankered up.
That's wankered up.
You can have 100 people in here right now.
That's wankered up.
You can have 100. You can have 100 people watching right now. That right there, you can't go by the counter.
You can't go by that counter. He says.
You can't go by the counter.
But there's nobody in the chat either, so.
So it might actually be a 0 people in here. If you are watching, whether it's live or whether it's hashtag replay, put a comment in there. Hey, I'm not 0. I'm at least 1.
So we want to thank everybody that subscribes to our channel and those of you that are members. And if you watch our videos but you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you as a subscriber.
Yeah, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free today. In fact, it's free every day.
Well, we've got about 15 minutes before we have to head out to where we're supposed to be because it's a big ship. We're late half the time, right? Oh, we got a thumbs up. Look there. And we have one person watching.
Somebody's watching. How about that?
So it's a big ship and it takes so long to get anywhere.
Yeah, it's a good sized ship. It's about 1,100 foot long, 148,000 gross tons. I think it is something like that. It's a good sized ship, y'all. And
we did go to Cherry on Top and we did buy candy.
Twice.
We
bought M&M's the first time.
But the M&Ms are not gluten-free, so Robin did not eat the M&Ms. Guess who ate all the M&Ms?
Sensei Rabbit.
Sensei, did you eat all those M&Ms? So tonight, our group is kilt night for us.
It is.
So we're wearing kilts tonight. And then tomorrow night is Hawaiian night. So we're going to take the lei off Sensei. Oh, we got leis over here. We only have one mask, so I think Chet is going to wear the mask.
I think she is. Yeah, that looks good on you.
I don't think, try it on you. I think it looks better on you. Look, it looks so much better on you.
I look like a Mayan. I need to sacrifice somebody.
I don't think so. Give me that.
I must sacrifice somebody. So after our big platinum and diamond party here at 12 o'clock, we're going to go probably have some lunch again because that's one thing you do a lot of on a cruise ship. It's eating.
Well, lunch will have to be either at the sandwich shop or the buffet because the dining room is not open for lunch.
That's okay because I've already been eating tuna fish sandwich every day for lunch anyway.
Yeah. I think I'm going to get a gluten-free pizza today.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea.
I had a gluten-free pizza the other day and it was really good. But, they give me the whole pizza because they have to give me the whole pizza. And I can't eat the whole pizza.
I'll help you eat a pizza.
And if you're going to eat a sandwich, how are you going to eat a pizza too?
I can do both.
I can do both.
I may go get a guy's burger too.
Oh, I've been disappointed with the guy's burger. So I got a guy's burger the other day and it was totally done on the outside. Looked fantastic on the outside, but was 100% raw and cold on the inside.
I'm going to give him another whirl, see what happens. You know how it is. Different cook today. The other guy might not be rushing it as fast as the other one was, and it'll come out better.
Maybe. I'm really surprised the limited times that this ship has food available.
Yeah.
It's kind of been odd for us.
Yeah, we're used to having food all the time, but I understand they have to make cutbacks, but
don't cut back on the food.
Yeah, why the food? Why? Cut back on the water, the bicycle in the air or something.
And that's free.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did we mention that the ropes course is free? Riding the sky ride is also free, and you simply just get in line and get on it.
Yeah, and I think that port days are the best days to do that because you don't have to worry about most of the time. You don't have to worry about high winds. When you're at sea, the winds can put a damper on those kind of activities.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll be doing some more eating, and every day, y'all, we've been taking a nap.
I have slept so much on this cruise. Let me tell you what, I've been pretty stressed out lately. My job has stressed me out a lot lately. I have slept a lot on this cruise, a lot. And then last night I couldn't sleep at all.
You was asleep. I heard you snoring.
Well, I slept off and on. I mean, I didn't sleep straight. The other days I've slept straight. I've not woke up. I've slept the whole time. Woke up and went to the bathroom and go potty and come back to bed and crash. So I think my body is now caught up, and I don't feel like I need hours and hours and hours of sleep.
Won't need a big nap today.
No.
Okay. All right. Well, what else you want to tell them? Anything about this cabin in particular?
Well, this cabin is very similar to a cabin that we've had on a similar ship. It's fully handicap accessible. It's a good cabin. It's got the window, which is just a window that overlooks a deck out there. But you'll see that on our full room tour because we always do a full. Do you do on this room?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like we've been on this ship so long. I don't remember if we did a room tour.
I'm having trouble remembering what I filmed, and I got to film the rest of the ship today. We really need to do that this afternoon.
I don't know anything about that.
Yeah,
it's not my job to
You're fixing to know about it because I'm fixing to tell you. We need to filming this
We filmed
thing.
some of it yesterday.
I know we got to film it all. We got to redo
I don't know what he's talking about. It's not my job to do that.
It is her job to do that. Ain't she pretty?
We've had a great room steward, though.
Yeah.
I wanted Chet's tuxedo shirt ironed for the first formal night. So the day we got on the ship, we gave him the tuxedo shirt, and we got it the very next day. And a lot of times they don't let you do laundry on the first day.
Yep. It helps when you slide a $10 bill their way. Say, if you can get this done for me, I'm all right.
Our room is pretty trashed today, though. It's a pretty trashed room. Normally our room is not this messy. I don't know why our room is this messy. I think it's because this room has very limited space. You know, the desk over there is usually a big, long counter. It's a short little desk. Mm-hmm. And like the ice and the phone take up half of it. And then like this little table that the computer's sitting on right now, usually it's a longer table. And the bedstands are usually wider. And the closet's pretty small for the room of this size.
But it works.
And the doors are not as magnetic as most cruise ship doors are. Yeah. Usually the doors themselves are very magnetic and you can hang things on it. These doors are not.
You cannot put a magnet on that door. Even my little ones like this, you see right behind Rob Pacific Journeys.
These little magnets right here don't even stick on the door. So you put them, of course, on the wall next to your door. But I thought it was weird. So the door is covered with some kind of laminate or something that I guess it's not magnetic.
Just thought we'd let you know that for when you come on your next Carnival cruise.
That's it. I don't know what to say.
Okay, well,
I don't have nothing else to say, y'all.
I guess we'll get ready to head on down there to the Platinum and Diamond party. And today is Friday.
Is it really?
Yeah, today's Friday. So like she said, it's our formal night. We'll be wearing our kilts. Tomorrow, Saturday, we'll be packing it up. Tomorrow.
You know, the first 3 days went so nice and slow. I felt like, oh, this vacation is going to be fantastic. It's nice and slow. Oh, and I've been complaining about the internet on the ship, right? We paid for the premium internet, and I've not had internet on my phone. I've been very aggravated by that. I don't know why. I'm just not thinking straight. Usually what I do when I get on the ship, I turn the phone off and turn the phone on so that I can get on the Wi-Fi. I did not do that. And my phone said I was supposed to have service in all 3 islands. Well, I don't have service in all 3 islands. But once again, what I usually do is when I get off the ship, I turn the phone off and turn it back on. And my service works. Then when I get back on the ship, I turn it off, turn it on. I have not done that. So this morning, I was laying in bed. I'm like, you know what? I'm so aggravated at this stupid internet that doesn't work. I am just going to restart my phone. And voila, I have the internet that I paid for all week that I complained that I did not have, that I've really had all week. But
we would have been coming live to you every day, but we will come live to you again tomorrow.
We are?
Mm-hmm. Yes, we are. As long as we got internet working.
He has something to say because I never have anything to say.
You do too.
Clickbait Robin.
Ain't she pretty? and she's going to be wearing her American flag bikini.
No, I'm not. No, I am not.
She is.
No, I'm not.
I'll get her to go down to the spa with me again.
Wrong.
This is a spa cabin, y'all. We got to go down there to the spa for free.
We've been in spa quite a bit.
Yeah.
Especially the first few days. It was nice. Get in the spa and then come back room, take a shower and take a nap. It was like really good. This has been a very relaxing vacation for us. We've had a great time with the group though. The group has been a lot of fun.
Yeah, great group. I'd cruise with them guys again.
Oh, and we want to say to the family that is with the Facebook group that they were in an accident on Bonaire. We want to wish them well. We want to let you guys know we're thinking about you. We may not know you, but you're part of the YouTube family. And Sea Life Journeys, we're thinking about you and your family, and we hope for a speedy recovery. And I do believe that they are all back on board. There were some injuries, but I do believe that they are all back on board. That's what we've heard anyway.
Okay.
Dead air now. Have y'all ever noticed whenever I talk, we just have dead air, and then he acts like he doesn't have anything to say? But when I'm not here, he'll just talk nonstop. Let me just walk away.
Okay. Well, on that note, we'll head out of here. And tomorrow, rejoin us again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. Yeah. And we'll be getting our packing going on. We'll tell you how fun it was to repack.
Our last full day.
Yeah. How unfun it was. And what else we did on Kilt Night, which will be tonight. So, yeah, we're looking forward to it. And anything else? Nope. Okay.
Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.